guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make Mamey Smoothie. I'm going to need mamey, evaporated milk, almond milk, salt, vanilla, and ice. I'm going to pour mamey in a blender. Almond milk, evaporated milk, vanilla, salt, and finally ice. I'm going to blend it about 1 or 2 minutes until it's completely smooth. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.